Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're passionate about cars and want to take your ride to the next level, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing my top 5 best-selling replica wheels. Perfect for upgrading your car's style and performance, or even replacing a damaged wheel. So sit back, relax, and let's explore these amazing wheels that car enthusiasts are raving about. Number 1. 2011-2014 17 by 6.5 Chrysler 200 steel wheel. Let's kick things off with the 2011 to 2014 117 by 6.5 Chrysler 200 steel wheel. If you own a Chrysler 200, you're gonna love this upgrade. With its bold black finish and flawless design, it brings a whole new level of sophistication to your car. And the best part? Installation is a breeze. These wheels are engineered for a perfect fit. From a 5 to 114.3 millimeter bolt pattern to an offset of 39 millimeters, everything about this wheel screams precision and quality. Plus, it pairs beautifully with a 225/55 R17 tire. Trust me, your Chrysler will thank you for this stylish upgrade. Number 2. 2003-2020 18 by 7.5 Nissan Murano aluminum wheel. Next up, we've got the 2003 to 2020 18 by 7.5 Nissan Murano aluminum wheel. If you're looking for a combination of style and durability, this wheel is for you. The sleek silver finish gives your Murano a touch of elegance, and its lightweight aluminum design enhances performance without compromising strength. Whether you're replacing a single wheel or getting a full set, this is a solid choice. It's compatible with a 235/65 R18 tire and fits perfectly thanks to its 5 to 114.3 millimeter bolt pattern. If you want your Murano to turn heads, this wheel will do the trick. Number 3. 20 by 8 factory replacement new alloy wheel for Honda Pilot 2016-2018. At number 3, we have the 20 by 8 factory replacement alloy wheel for Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2018. This wheel is a showstopper with its machined face and painted charcoal pockets. It's not just stylish, it's built for performance. Plus, the high-quality finish ensures it stays looking fresh even after miles of adventure. If you drive a Honda Pilot, this wheel is your chance to make a bold statement on the road. Number 4. 18 by 8 factory replacement new alloy wheel for Ford Fusion 2019-2020. Coming in at number 4 is the CHA 18 by 8 factory replacement alloy wheel for Ford Fusion models from 2019 to 2020. This wheel is all about boldness. Its sleek black finish gives your Fusion a modern, edgy vibe, perfect for standing out in a crowd. It's lightweight, easy to install, and incredibly durable. If you want your Ford Fusion to look as sharp as it drives, this is the wheel for you. Number 5. 20-side replica wheel DG15 for Dodge Hellcat. And finally, the ultimate showstopper, the 20-inch replica wheel DG15 for the Dodge Hellcat. This wheel is pure power and style combined. The satin black finish screams sophistication, while the lightweight aluminum alloy ensures top-notch performance. It's the perfect match for a beast like the Hellcat. If you're ready to unleash the full potential of your Dodge Hellcat, this wheel is a must-have. Conclusion. So there you have it, the top 5 best-selling replica wheels. Whether you're upgrading for style, performance, or practicality, these wheels deliver on all fronts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car tips, reviews, and upgrades. Let me know in the comments which wheel you're planning to get, or which car you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.